In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Celebrate Sunflowers bundle. So here's the card right here. I started off with the all wired up background. And I'm going to ink that up upside down. I like to do that because it's easier and I can see where the ink is going to be on the card. So I can just lay this down right on top. I can see where I'm laying it. And then I can just place a scrap piece on top. I can use my bone folder to make sure that it's evenly stamped. And I can just lift this straight up, and there we go. There's our background. Cool, right? All right, so we've got our background. So now I'm gonna stamp our sentiment also in soft suede. And it says, know that you are loved. So I'm going to stamp that up here in the corner. And then I've already stamped and cut out the sunflower. And this is from the Celebrate Sunflowers stamp set. And it comes in a bundle with the sunflower dies. So we have some, nope, what's the word I'm looking for? Not delicate, not distinctive. It'll come to me later. But these cut out the images, and then these are, I can't remember the word right now, but they're more intricate dies. All right, so now we've got this, so we're going to use some twine to just tie around. This is a die cut out from the Stitch So Sweetly, one of my favorite dies. So many cute labels and stitched rectangles. So I wrapped around 3 times, and then just going to tie a knot over here to make it a little bit easier for myself to tie a bow. There we go. So just kind of pull that and then trim this off. And then we're going to add some dimensionals. And then we'll add this to the card. Tilted. There we go. And then I've already, like I said, cut out the sunflower and the leaves. So I stamped this also in soft suede, and the leaves are old olive on old olive. And now I'm going to color the center with soft suede. So we'll start with the dark in the middle. Looks really dark. But when I bring in the light, it's really going to soften it up. Starting to run out of my ink here because I use this so much. You see how it lightened it up? And I'm going to put dimensionals on this and these two. Put one here, and I'm just going to put some in the middle of the sunflower. So we'll have the sunflower go right about here. And then this leaf I'm going to tuck in. So I'm going to use a little bit of adhesive and break it off this way. I'm going to tuck it under the twine. And then the other two leaves have dimensionals on them. And there we go. That is our chicken wire sunflower card. So I'm offering a class. If you purchase this bundle, you'll receive a class that has 2 of each card, this card and this card. And if you already have this bundle, then you can purchase another bundle or place a $50 order using this hostess code, and I will also send you this class for free. So just go to my website, elainescreations.net, and click on Shop Now. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks, bye.